Hi guys, right, good news, the pickups have arrived. Earlier in the year, a guy called Simon contacted me. He makes pickups in Wales, and you can check him out on Instagram. I'll put a link below, but they're Curley Oak Pickups, and he asked if I'd be interested in trying some, and I never want to turn down like some free custom made pickups. So we had a conversation, and I explained that the build off was going to be happening, and if he would send me some pickups, then I'll use them in the build. Now they arrived during the week, so very excited when I got home from work and found these waiting for me. I went for a single coil on the neck and a humbucker in the bridge, and explained the kind of music I like to play and what we want it to sound like and various other things, and I specified that I didn't want a cover on because it's a personal thing, but I prefer pickups without any covers on it. So it's literally come as it is, and it looks very neat and well finished. Very tidy, and we got some nice pushback hookup wire as well, which is what I prefer to use. Mounting screws with some rubber sleeve, but yeah, that looks really neat and nice. And for the bridge, 4-conductor cable, so I can play around with some switching options, and a bit of masking tape on the top. So let's get you off and have a look. And there we go. And again, the build and the fit and finish is really good, really neat. So yeah, really happy. So Simon, thank you very much. We'll make sure we put them to some good use. Now, I'm not an electronics whiz by any means. I didn't pick up a soldering iron until I started getting into guitar building a few years ago. So I don't really understand what all the stuff that I pick up actually does. I just know it takes, the same that the string makes and sends it to the amplifier. But he was kind enough to send me the data sheets. So for those of you that know about this stuff and understand it, the neck pickup, I asked for F spacing on the pole pieces. So the neck pickup single coil has got 50mm spacing. It's Alnico 5 magnets, south polarity. It's 42 gauge wire. Insulation is enamel, and it's got 8,000 turns counterclockwise. No cover, although it is potted, and it was wound mid-May. Now the output number on it, Simon read it as 7.11, so it should have a nice beefy output to it. And we've got the signal and ground cables to hook up as normal. So for those of you that understand that, well done. I don't, I just know it makes noise. So and for the bridge humbucker, again, F spacing on the pole pieces, so that'll be 52mm, Alnico 5, and the again south polarity for the screws, 42 gauge wire, enamel insulation, and it's got 5,000 turns per coil, so we've got 10,000 turns altogether counterclockwise, and the output on it for each coil, south we got 3.83 and north 3.85, so that's going to give us a total output of around 7.6. So again, should have a nice amount of output and should be able to do quite a lot with it tonally. Thank you very much, Simon. We'll put them to some good use and we'll get them in the guitar and see what they sound like as soon as possible. But yeah, if you're looking for some custom made pickups, then check the link in the description. These are really well made and put together. Everything's neat. There's no, I can't see a single defect with it at all. So yeah, give Simon a shout, and yeah, you can get yourself some custom made pickups for your next build. Just a quick update on these arriving for me. So thanks very much for watching. Hit like, subscribe, and if you can, please don't forget to support the Musicians Without Borders charity that I'm supporting with my build this year for the Great Guitar Builder. So thanks for watching, take care, and we'll see you soon. Cheers.